In this video, we'll show you how to make your own marbled mug. You will need a mug, nail polish, toothpicks, and a container of hot water. You should put down some newspapers or paper towels too. The first step is to pour a few drops of the nail polish into the water. Make sure you're pouring close to the surface of the water. Then, swirl it with a toothpick, making sure you don't have too many clumps. Dip the mug into the water. The nail polish will stick right on. Repeat these steps for the other side of your mug, or to add layers. Make sure you're doing these steps quickly and that your water is hot enough so the nail polish doesn't set too fast when you pour it in. Put your mug topside down to dry. You can use nail polish remover to remove the nail polish from the bottom of your mug. You can also use dishwasher safe Mod Podge to seal your mug and make it safe to wash. Do not microwave your mug.